Today's fun Friday snack is hot ham and cheese. Ham, Swiss, onion, Dijon mustard, and poppy seed. So good. This week's fun Friday snack is hot ham and cheese sandwiches. What you need to make hot ham and cheese sandwiches is ham, Swiss cheese, dice up some onions, some kind of rolls. These were leftover rolls that I already had, or you could use hamburger rolls, or even a nice hard roll is awesome, especially with the sesame seeds. You want to have a bowl ready, and you can use spicy brown or you can use Dijon, and also poppy seed. So I'm going to use the Dijon mustard here, and I'm not a big measurer unless it's like baking. So I'm just going to eye this enough to make a few sandwiches. This is a spicy, or this is the Dijon. And I'm going to add the onions in. And then I will add the poppy seed into the bowl. And probably about a half, maybe a teaspoon or so, but I'm just going to put it in. And then what you want to do is mix this together into a nice sauce to put on the hard rolls or the buns or the rolls, whatever you're using. Mix it up nice and good. You want to prep some aluminum foil into just some squares of foil that you can put down, and put the sandwich in, lay it out, spread some of this yummy Dijon mustard and poppy seed, put this on. And I'll put some Swiss cheese on here, pop the lid on, and then you want to wrap it up and do the same with all the sandwiches that you are making, depending on how many you make. So I'm going to wrap those up real quick. So once you got your sandwiches wrapped and ready, all prepared and prepped, again, just ham, cheese, Dijon mustard with poppy seed and onions. So I'm going to throw the sandwiches in the oven. They're in the oven at 350 and only have to bake about 10 or 15 minutes. Looks like I need to clean the stove out maybe, so add that to the to-do list. So, I don't know, maybe 10-15 minutes around there. Until they melt up and crisp, and they're so yummy. I get to cook, and this is what's going on. Take one out. Tongs here. So once you open it up, you have this yummy Swiss cheese and ham mustard, poppy seed, onion sandwich. It is so, so good. Try it yourself.